Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about recycling fiber reinforced composites. So, in this class, we are going to discuss what are the processes are used for recycling of composites. Listen carefully. So here there are two main process are occurred. They are called, first one is chemical and next one is mechanical. So generally there are two process for recycling of fiber reinforced composites. First one chemical and second one is mechanical. So the first question is, why is recycling of composite complex? Because of many variables in material types. See, a material means not only one element, it combines. Composite means basically we all already discussed in first two classes or first three classes what is composite material means. Composite means there are a combination of two or more elements. So variable materials, because of then only we can recycling the products. Suppose any material can made of a single element, we cannot recycle the material. So the reason is of many variables in material types. For example, thermoset and versus thermoplastics. See, here plastics are two types basically, based on recycling process: thermosetting plastics and thermoplastics. And next one is long fibers, short fibers. See, the long fibers and short fibers were already discussed in first 3 or 4 of classes. Long means continuous fibers, short fiber means discontinuous fibers. So next one is glass versus carbon. So combination of glass and carbon, it form as a composite material, and long fiber and short fiber form as a long composite material. And suppose we are using some thermosetting plastic materials and thermoplastics composites as some composite material. So let us discuss what are the various steps of recycling of short fiber reinforced composites. Listen students, short fiber reinforced composites are also called discontinuous fibers. So these are mainly there are two types of mechanical process, that is grinding, shredding. See, that is shredding, separation, washing, grinding, drying, and extrusion. So these are the some of mechanical process. And next one is the question is, where are mechanically recycled short fiber composites used? So the recycled materials available in the form of powder or fiber form. See here, generally the recycled the recycled material is in the form of gas and powder form. Powder form, that is in the paste, we use it for paste for sheet molding compounds, and the fiber form is used for reinforcement in bulk molding compounds. See here, two types of processes we are used for sheet molding compounds, and fiber form is used for reinforcement for bulk molding. So one cannot be used too much of there is replacement, because the impact resistance and electrical properties degrade after 20% content. So continuously we cannot recycle the process till maybe 1 or 2 times we need we should use recycle process, but continuously we cannot use, because of there is reducing electrical properties and impact strength. What is impact? As a sudden load is called impact. So reducing the impact resistance and also electrical properties of degrade. So after about 20%, So we cannot use recycled more, 2 or more times. So the products from recycled plastics are limited to fences and benches. Generally the properties, generally the recycled materials are used for the made of fences and benches, generally plastic materials. See, listen here, we have mainly the two types of plastics. What one, they are thermosetting plastics and thermoplastics. Generally urea, formaldehyde, polysterenes, polypropylene, polyethylene, these are generally thermosetting plastics. Remaining plastics all are thermoplastics. So thermoplastics are recycled because of they are not a single element, they are combination of carbon and hydrogen, and also some of the materials. So see, so in this video you can finally observe what are the recycling, what are the types of recycling process of composites. So listen, there are two types. What one are mechanical and chemical. So in mechanical, simply we can say drawing, extrusion, grinding, shredding, separation, washing. So these are the simple general mechanical properties, mechanical process of recycling. So the next question, why is recycling of composites? Because there are many variables, like already discussed, but now I will repeat about thermosets and thermoplastics. So here thermoset plastic materials is different versus thermoplastic materials, and long fibers versus short fibers. So long fibers materials also called continuous fibers, and short fibers materials are also called discontinuous fibers. And next one, glass versus carbon. So these are the this is because of many variable material types. So that's why we need to recycling the composites, because of there are number of variables in composite material. So finally and last, from this video we can observe that what are the types of what are the mechanical recycled short fiber composites used. That means so from getting from doing mechanical process, so suppose for example shredding or washing, grinding. So after doing after done grinding, we will collect some powder form of material, or some suppose extrusion. So from extrusion process to collect from paste form of material. So from mechanical process we can collect the material in the form of powder or paste. So the powder is paste form of material, recycled material is used for making of sheet metal molding, and powder form of is used for bulk molding process. So finally we can remember that we should remember those things. So ultimately the fiber reinforced material, some of the composites are recycled, then we can collect that material and we can finally use, especially probably use for fences and benches. So these are two applications of uh, recycling of fiber reinforcement. And students, next class, so in this video today we'll going to complete about chemical, what is mechanical process of recycling materials, and how the form, what is the form of that recycled material, and what they are using for in the form of applications oriented. So next class we can we are going to discuss about chemical process. What is the chemical process is more than it is not more than suitable, it is not used for more than mechanical process. So next class we will discuss about what are the reasons of the advantage of chemical processing and disadvantage of chemical processing compared to mechanical processing. So please listen once again, and I will send to your YouTube link to your WhatsApp group. Please follow that. Thank you.